Hi, I'm Josie Newman and I'm the landlady of the Plough, and we are based in a small village called Peldon. The Plough has been in our family now since 1997, and my husband and I took the Plough over as a business 10 years ago. So the setup of the Plough, we have one charging point which actually charges two cars at the same time. It is literally a matter of tapping your card, charge and go. There's no apps needed or anything like that. It is that simple. It was free for us to join, free for us to install, and we actually get revenue for every single charge. So since having the EV chargers, we've really noticed the added footfall, and I believe that is because people can come in, have lunch, have an evening meal, and it's so easy for them just to charge their car whilst they're having their lovely food. Now that we're with PE and our EV chargers have been working so well, we've actually now gone over to using our utility bills with them as well. And this really does help us as a business because it's a one-stop shop and everything is all done and dusted for us to concentrate on our own business.